Court calls the case People versus Jeffrey Bloom.
Is the prosecuting attorney Morgan Barossa on behalf of the people?
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Bloom. Mr. Bloom, can you state your name for the record?
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
My name is Jeffrey Bloom, and I have asked to disqualify the Public Defender's Office. I was referred for a competency exam when I did so, and didn't receive the competency exam. But I made this part of record on November 1st. I have contacted the Public Defender's Office multiple times, Your Honor, and no one will accept my call because they're saying they don't handle my case. So 2 weeks after I visited you.
Hold on 1 second, Mr. Bloom. I'll hear from you, but just hold on a second.
Yes, sir.
Who has your other matter? That you,
It's Sam Bernstein, but I would like to represent myself in this case, Your Honor.
okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Well, hold on. I'll hear from everybody, but I'm just, were you done, Mr. Bloom, with what you were saying?
Well,
in that?
Go ahead.
Okay. What is yours?
I was going to echo what Mr. Bloom was saying. We are in the process of withdrawing from this case due to a breakdown attorney-client in the attorney-client relationship. I'm not sure why the paperwork and all that didn't get to the court yet. I believe it should have been handled before today, Your Honor. It might also been an issue. We don't have the competency report. Our officer, the MAC office may be waiting to receive that before we withdraw.
Okay.
But we are in the process of withdrawing, Mr. Bloom, correct?
May I speak again, Your Honor?
Okay, hold on just 1 second. I'm just looking, Mr. Bloom,
sure.
to see what I have. Okay, go ahead.
I was referred for a competency exam because I fired the Public Defender's Office. Judge Slay, in my multiple felony count case, says there's no reason for me to take a competency exam. Okay, anyway, Your Honor, I have called these people for week after week. 2 weeks, like I said, 2 weeks after our last visit. Every time I call them, I ask for discovery. I ask for the police reports. I ask for witness statements, hospital reports, everything. I am denied, and they hang up on me. These people are highly incompetent.
Okay, so, well.
Cease and desist.
Hold on one moment.
Immediately. I'm been denied law library.
Okay, just, I'll hear you. I'm just trying to sort out what you're telling me.
I'm just a little
Because they're-
frustrated.
I got you. So the problem is that on the other case, the felony case, the PD did withdraw on, and that's where you have Mr. Bernstein now?
And I was threatened with a competency exam that time also, Your Honor.
Okay, I don't know anything about
Yes,
that.
sir.
I'm
Yes,
just
sir.
saying, I'm just
Yes,
trying
sir.
to
You're
figure out,
absolutely correct.
I'm just trying to figure out representation.
Yes, Your Honor.
It's Mr. Bernstein. Okay, so that's who's representing you in that matter right now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it seems to me, although you want to represent yourself,
sir.
that can happen, but it seems to me that I guess I'm unclear as to why. I mean, I don't know what the withdrawal was on the other thing, but it doesn't matter. If there was going to be a withdrawal, then at minimum, Mr. Bernstein could be appointed to represent Mr. Bloom in this matter, and then Mr. Bloom can make a decision as to how he wants to proceed with it. But, and I'm just unclear as to why that hasn't happened, but that may not be you, Mr. Bloom. Turn around, face me, okay?
I'm curious.
Well, but Ms. Perny may not know.
Well,
Okay,
none
so
of-
don't stare at her.
None of them
Okay.
seem to know.
Well, that's okay. I don't know. You don't know. Nobody knows.
No,
I'm
nobody.
just saying what should have happened. So, however this occurs, this has got to be straightened out. So, I don't. You're held on the other matter at this point, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
With no bond. Might I
Okay.
add.
All right. That's the one that's before Judge Slate.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. I just want to make sure there's not going to be a delay that keeps
Oh, there
you
will be.
incarcerated. Well, that
That's,
keeps you.
that's why this case was brought up. You'll see the light. You will see the light, Your Honor.
Okay. So, I just want to make sure that you weren't going to be held if I adjourn this matter out to get all this stuff straightened.
Well, I just want, this is the only thing I'm wishing. Do not allow these people to deny me a law library, Your Honor. Please, I have been denied law library for 15 months.
You mean at the jail?
Yes, yes, Your Honor. And I know they try to say that it's policy that you have to have a representation of yourself to have law library. That's a blatant civil violation.
All right.
Also,
Go ahead.
if you could just allow me to have law library, if you could demand those people to stop denying my due process and my rights to the courts, I would highly appreciate it. And if you think I need a competency exam, you can send me for a competency exam, but please stop denying my law library.
Well, I'm not, this is set right now for a competency hearing, but you haven't been interviewed.
Oh, no, no, this is blatantly done for a reason. I'm
Okay,
well
all right.
aware.
Okay, all right. We'll get to all of that eventually, Mr. Bloom. All right.
Thank you for being patient with me, sir. I do have Parkinson's, so if I make tricky movements, or I think I made the court aware of that last.
yes, you did. And you're welcome. Sometimes patience is all I have. Sometimes it leaves. But here's what I'll do. Let's put this out to the 7th.
I have court with Judge Slay on the 8th.
Hold on. I just want to make sure. So I think this is going to be another issue. I just want to make sure. Okay. So, oh no, I do. Okay. So I have an order for competency that was signed in this case, but that probably paired along with the other.
There is no competency in the other case.
Hold on, just stop for a moment. But now what you're telling me is that there is no competency ordered in the circuit court case.
There never was.
Okay.
I'm fully capable, Your Honor.
I think if you haven't been interviewed for competency
No.
yet, then here's what I'm going to suggest we do, Mr. Bloom. Let me adjourn this out, get it straight, let them get, if you have Mr. Bernstein, hopefully that's what they'll do. Just put Mr. Bernstein temporarily even on this case. Okay.
I want
Just hear me out.
They're
Okay.
going to deny me law library.
But Mr. Bloom, hear me out.
It's not
Okay.
fair.
But hold on, just hear me out. To get rid of the competency order that's in my file.
Okay.
That's what you follow me?
I got you.
So if the MAC office, I can't direct them to do it. If they put Mr. Bernstein on that case, there's no competency in the other matter, try to get rid of the competency in this one. And then if you want to represent yourself, then I can entertain that motion.
Can you stop the denial of the due process? Please.
That's not, I'd have to have a full-blown hearing on it, Mr. Bloom, and I'm not going to do that.
Oh.
Because I'm not going to do that only because right now, if their policy is, we may be able to get you there.
It's an illegal policy.
Mr. Bloom.
I don't mean to be a problem, Your Honor.
No, you do.
But one thing,
Mr. Bloom, how can we start out? No, just listen. How can we start out so well, and then I hear you. No, just listen. And then no, just listen to me. We start out so well, and then I try to get you to where you kind of want to be, and then you fight with me about it, and then you just go at me again. I don't know why you do that to me.
because there's multiple issues.
Okay,
here.
I know. I hear them all. I'm used to sorting out issues. Mr. Bloom.
Yes, Your Honor.
So here's what we're going to do. All right. What we're going to do, I'm going to adjourn this out to the 7th. Let that one part here's what my hope is. That the one part regarding the attorneys get done. Get the competency off of this case. Then I will entertain your motion to represent yourself. If I grant that motion, then my understanding based upon what you told me if you're representing yourself in a case, then you're gonna get your law library privileges.
There's
So I'm
still-
trying to
All right, thank
get you there.
In the meantime,
Oh, boy.
one other thing, yeah.
Oh, another thing,
One thing.
really?
I've asked the public defender's office for the discovery in this case, the police report, the victim's statements, the hospital statements, the officer's statements that said I assaulted this medical staff in the jail. Well, they've denied me those on multiple occasions, and they keep hanging up on me when I call them. They say, we don't represent you. So I have this for the clerk of the court.
Mr. Bloom, stop right there. Miss Perrone, do you guys have discovery on this case?
Yes, we do.
Can we then do this? Can we try to get Mr. Bloom a copy of that prior to the whole thing being done? Okay,
Yeah, we can get it to the jail today.
okay, very good.
Full. Because the report that I got from the officer says that all the statements were included, but they weren't.
Okay.
Can I give you this, Your Honor?
I don't know what that is.
It's for discovery.
What is it?
It's the same thing one of your esteemed attorneys would write for discovery. It's asking the clerk of the court to grant me the discovery
I already have the discovery request in, and I'm trying to,
from them, but I'm not getting it.
okay, what, did you hear what I just said to them?
Yes, Your Honor.
They're gonna get that to you. They're gonna try today. Mr. Bloom, if it's tomorrow, don't come screaming. All right? They're gonna get
No.
it, they're gonna,
I've waited since October 17th. Excuse me, Your Honor. I apologize. I'm really
no,
frustrated. over it.
no, you don't. I know you apologize. I know you don't mean to be this way, but you are.
I am.
And I'm trying to just solve your problem. So if you had listened, what, you told me you didn't have discovery. I looked at them, I said, do you have it? They said, yes. They said they'd try to get it to you today. I can't deal with what happened in the past.
But they
I
said
can't,
that.
okay, I know, Mr. Bloom, Mr. Bloom.
It's all good.
I can only
So
solve
what
the
if they
problem
come-
that's in front of me.
So I write a grievance on them then, right? I write a.
Well, I don't
Bar
know that you
Association?
want to do that. All I want is you to get the discovery. If you're telling me that's your problem, then I'm trying to solve your problem.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
I almost hate to ask this, but there's nothing else, is there?
Well.
No. Good. Mr. Bloom.
There is one more thing, Your Honor.
Oh.
I'm being denied a dental extraction because I do not believe in taking injections in my mouth. And they're telling me that for that reason alone, they are denying me an extraction of an infected tooth. And if you will look at your video from 11/12 of 2022, you will see my face was swollen like a pumpkin and I was clearly sick with infection. This is happening again.
Okay, Mr. Bloom, let me stop you.
I just wanted on
With
record.
regard, okay, you
Thank
put
you.
it on record. I
Thank
don't get involved in medical decisions
Well,
made at the jail.
That's part of your
All
job too. But
All right.
have a good day.
Thank you. Bond will continue.
Mr. Morris, can you state your name for the record?
Uriah Morris.
Yep, here he is. All right, what are we doing?
Mr. Morris has informed me he has a valid license. I was wondering if the clerk could double check.
When did you get it, young man?
I got it November 20th.
Out of state license, Mr. Morris?
Yeah, out of state, Ohio. Ohio license.
Ohio will give anybody a license. No, I'm kidding. I don't. Yeah, I shouldn't have said that. Because the Michigan is coming back. I don't have it.
It's not valid.
Well, yeah, the Michigan's coming back is not valid. It also doesn't indicate that it was surrendered.
Well, it got canceled. I mean, I paid about $3,000. So I paid every single. I paid. Actually, I think I paid more than $3,000 to get my license back. So I pay every court.
Okay, no, I'm not. I'm just indicating. When did you say you did that?
November 20th.
November 20th.
Yeah, because in order for me to get a license in Ohio, I had to clear everything from Michigan,
No, I
Ohio,
know,
Georgia.
I know, Mr. Morris, I know how it works. I'm just saying, I'm here is not showing me what I need to show. Can we,
Okay. I know,
can we
like when
run
I
in
have got
Ohio? Hold
when I have
on,
got pulled
Mr.
over.
Morris, Mr. Morris. This is why you have an attorney. Just be quiet a minute. Okay, we'll get it. We'll get it straight. You running it?
I know the police department can run it. If we want to adjourn it, I can have someone check.
Well, we should be able to run it just to,
I don't.
okay, we can't get it. What does,
This is what I was gonna say, Judge. When I have got pulled over since I have got my license, it like Michigan says canceled. So like it kind of like say I don't have a license in Michigan because I've been pulled
Correct.
over like I think like twice.
well,
So
I've got, right, I have, it says canceled during conversion, but that
Yeah.
doesn't mean, I don't think that means,
would you like my license number?
no, hold on, don't be giving everybody your license number. We'll be opening up credit cards and stuff, and then you got real problems. Let's do this. What do you say? Is that what you need? You need his number?
Yes.
Okay, can you do this? You know how to use the chat?
No. Let me-
Don't know how to use it.
Or can you text a picture to me, Mr. Morris? You have my number, right?
Yeah, I'll send it to you right now. Do you want me like
Alright.
I'll send it right now. Do you want me to send it while I'm on the phone so then like you can let them see it? One second.
Just send it to her.
Okay.
He's always got another plan. You need the number itself, right? Are you done?
Yes, for today.
Take care. We'll see you tomorrow.
Yes.
All right. Take care. Good job.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Good one.
Done it?
Yeah, I sent it.
Ernie, you have it?
I haven't gotten anything yet. Sending through the clouds.
Oh, you haven't actually sent yet.
Oh, it is.
Okay, I got it.
You're running that.
Trying to.
All right, hold, Mr. Morris. Young man, what's your name?
My name is Adam Pettis, sir.
Adam.
Yes, sir. Pettis, PTTUS.
We have that one in the next one. Pettis.
He's in the one on block.
Got it. I'm just gonna call
I
it.
have it, it's just got a print out.
You have his
The Ohio.
courthouse case people versus Adam Pettis.
Conrad Siller on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Bridget Coons on behalf of Mr. Pettis. Mr. Pettis, if you can't state your name for the record.
Adam Pettis?
Your Honor would be seeking to set this for final settlement.
Jury final settlement conference will be set for February 9th, 2024.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to accept my offer?
Am I allowed to speak? Mr., I think his name was Nate, Officer Nate.
Yeah.
He said, because I was like really cooperative and stuff, he was like, if you take it to court, man, he's like, I'm not gonna fight you or nothing. He's like, go get your license, get it straightened out. I see you doing the right stuff. So my brother's a police officer too, sir. So he told me, he was like, if that's what he told you, then take it to trial.
Why don't we send?
That was,
Why don't we send it for a pretrial? Let me.
no, he said his brother's a police officer. He was dropping names.
No.
No, I'm
He just told, no, he just told.
I'm just,
sir.
I know, I'm
No,
just.
let me confirm that with the officer.
Oh, sorry.
And then if that's true, I'll drop it. If
Okay.
the officer-
Oh, if the officer said, okay,
The officer made that promise.
fair enough.
Right?
Okay, I appreciate you. Thank you, sir.
I saw you back there getting nervous and I said,
Yeah,
I don't know.
man, I don't mess around.
I said, I don't know what he's doing. He keeps getting up, running around.
No,
I said, I don't know why he's jumping up and down. So I said, I need to bring him up closer to Alan. No. January 17th, 2024, 9 a.m., sir.
Yes, sir. Thank
All
you,
right,
Your Honor.
thank you.
All right.
Thank
ma'am.
you.
And we're back on then, who's this, Dawson? Morris. This is a new one.
That's the Ohio record.
Temporary information permit. His status is valid. We ran Ohio. He cleared the suspensions, it looks like here. He's right. And then it's coming back that he has a valid Ohio license.
Excellent.
But I want to know before we do this, Memorial, if you would like to ask Mr. Stiller for a cheaper civil infraction.
What?
And I told him I would ask. I told him that's a standard offer, but I told him I'd ask.
I really don't know what the fines are. I don't, if you can come up with something, you do the work, not me. So
It's 180. So Mr. Morris, we could adjourn to work something out with Mr. Stiller, or you could accept the 185.
180.
Well, I was just wondering if I could, if it was possible to get it cheaper, because I just paid like, I want to like $3,000 some dollars to get my license. I also had to pay Georgia $22.50 also too. So that's like 5,000 right there. So I literally just can't. I can show.
So
receipts.
you paid Ohio 3,000. You don't want to pay Michigan?
No, I paid
anything?
Michigan. I paid Michigan 3,000, and I had to also pay Georgia too as well. So I had to pay them too as
I
well.
don't care that you paid Georgia.
And I also had to pay.
Really?
I actually had to pay Ohio too as well. So I had to pay 3 different states.
How much you pay Ohio?
300 or something like that.
Oh,
The most was coming from Romulus. Romulus, I want to say it was like closer to like 3, closer to 3.
young man, do you want to take the double parking or not?
Yeah.
This has been the
I'll take it.
longest. What?
Yeah, I'll take it. It's not big. I'll take it.
You'll take, okay. Mr. Silver, that's an offer?
Yes, it is an offer.
All right.
Yes.
All right, young man. Do you admit responsibility to the fact that on September 5th, 2018, Michigan Avenue, Pittsfield Township, that you double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
He doesn't seem too happy about it, but court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1's dismissed. Mr. Morris?
Yes.
Fines and cost of $180. I'm going to reduce that to $60. So I'm going to take $120 off because of what you already paid.
I appreciate it.
When can you get that? It's because otherwise you'll just keep talking. So,
I'll pay it tomorrow, Friday.
You'll pay it tomorrow?
Yep, I'll pay it Friday.
Oh, the Friday. Okay. So I'll give you till, because you're going to mess that up and then get suspended again. I'll give you till January 19th to get it paid.
All right, cool. Thank you.